Hi to everyone, to all the grade 9. So for today's video, I'm going to explain the solution and answer of our activity. So we have the question here. The area of a rectangular garden is 48 square feet. How much fencing will be needed to enclose it if its length is 2 feet longer than its width? Okay, so let us show the solution of this problem. So application of our lesson. Alright, grade 9, to solve real-life application problem, first analyze the question. So since you are asked to find the area of a rectangular, so you need to know the formula of finding the area. So we have now area A is equals to L times W. So this is the formula of finding the area of a rectangle. Now, the area given is equals to 48. So the given our area is equals to 48 square feet. And the second sentence is we have how much fencing will be needed. How much fencing will be needed to enclose it if its length is 2 feet longer than its width. So this time we are going to represent the variable x to the width. And then for the length we have now is equals to 2 feet longer than, so x plus 2. So these are the given area, 48 square feet. Width, we replace it by x, length will be x plus 2. Now by substitution, we have x times x plus 2 is equals to 48. Then after that, we are going to distribute x times x equals x squared, then x times 2 equals 2x, then equals 48. So we can transpose 48. So we have now the quadratic equation. So x squared plus 2x minus 48 is equals to 0. Then after that, find the value of x. We can use factoring now. So factors of x squared, we have x, then x. How about factors of 48? Then we have also here the middle term is equals to 2. So if we have the calculator, you can easily use this calculator class. Alright, so press mode. So you will see this in the calculator. So mode. And then look at here. So we have 5 eqn, so meaning that is equation. Press 5. And then of course press number 3. So for the quadratic equation, then the result is this. Look at that. Alright. So we will enter now the numerical coefficient here is 1. So 1 equals, then 2 equals, then negative 48, so negative 48 equals. Then again, press equal sign. So this is the result. Look at that. So we have now x sub 1 or x equals 6. So here, if you are going to write it here, so x minus 6. And then, of course, another equals, so we have x equals negative 8. So if you are going to write it here, x plus 8. Okay? So therefore, we have now equate these two zeros. So x minus 6 equals to 0. Then x plus 8 equals to 0. So therefore, x equals 6. And then x equals negative 8. But we will use only the positive value of x because we're looking for the dimensions. So if x equals 6, so the width is equals to 6 here. And 6 plus 2, we have now 8. So we have the length is 8. Alright? So that will be the dimensions of the rectangle. So did you understand? So if you have a calculator, you can easily find the factors and the value of this quadratic equation. Okay guys? The next question about real-life application of quadratic equation, we have the sum of the cube of a number and 12 times the number is equals to 7 times the square of the number. Find the numbers. So let us show the solution of this. Grade 9, so this is the last question. So here the question was the sum of the cube of a number. So when you say sum of a cube of a number or cube of a number, it can be written as x cubed. Then 12 times the number. So changing it to mathematical expression. So it will become now 12x. So the sum, so we will use addition. So that is the operation because the word is the sum, so meaning addition. X cubed plus 12x is equals to 7 times the square of the number. Okay, so 7 times the square of a number. So if we will change that phrase into algebraic expression, so it will become now 7x squared. So 7 times the square of a number is 7x squared. And then to find the value of the numbers, so the question now, what are the numbers? So we can divide each term by x because that is common. So x, x, and x. And then we have now x squared. X cubed divided by x is x squared plus 12 that equals 7x. So if we will divide 7x squared divided by x, the answer is 7x. Then transpose 7x. So the equation is x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Then we can use factoring here. So factors of x squared is equals to x and x. Then factors of 12 will be 4 and 3. So since this is positive, so we can use negative, negative. So that the middle term will become negative 7x. So x is equals to 4, then x is equals to 2. So the question now, find the numbers. So therefore, the numbers are 4 and 3. Alright. So thank you guys. So see you next meeting. See you next video. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day to everyone.